Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on the DTC P2118, which indicates a throttle actuator current range or performance problem in the Honda Accord model year 2023 and beyond. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a malfunction within the throttle actuator for a specified duration, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code. The throttle actuator is integral to managing the engine's air intake, thereby influencing performance and emissions. Faults in this system can lead to reduced engine efficiency, unresponsiveness during acceleration, and potential safety hazards. Accurately diagnosing and resolving this issue is crucial for maintaining optimum vehicle operation. The DTC P2118 points to a malfunction in the throttle actuator driver, the component that regulates the throttle body's position in response to the accelerator pedal input. The throttle body is located between the air intake and the engine, directly affecting the amount of air entering the engine. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, coordinates all vehicle functions, including engine performance and emissions controls. It is also located near the engine bay, connected to various sensors and actuators. If any of these components miscommunicate or fail, it could adversely affect vehicle performance, necessitating thorough inspections to determine the root cause of the error. There are several possible causes for the DTC P2118. Firstly, issues may occur within the throttle body itself, which can include mechanical failure or electrical faults that impede its function. Secondly, circuit malfunctions could arise in the external wiring or connections relating to MTR1, MTR2, or SG3 circuits. Improper resistance or shorts in these circuits complicate the communication between the throttle actuator and the PCM. Lastly, if the throttle body and circuits are operating correctly, a fault within the PCM itself could lead to this error code being generated. Each potential cause must be meticulously inspected to ensure accurate diagnosis. The symptoms associated with DTC P2118 can significantly impact the driving experience. Drivers may notice reduced engine performance, characterized by sluggish acceleration or difficulty in maintaining speed. An unresponsive accelerator pedal is another common symptom, where pressing the pedal does not result in the expected increase in speed, creating a frustrating and potentially unsafe situation. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, alerting drivers to a malfunction that requires immediate attention. The combination of these symptoms necessitates prompt investigation to avoid further complications. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2118 involves ensuring the vehicle is in the proper mode for testing. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Once in this mode, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor. This action allows for the throttle actuator driver to detect the input and determine if it communicates properly with the PCM. Document any unusual readings or behaviors during this step, as they can provide critical insight into the functioning of the throttle system. In the second troubleshooting step, focus on the throttle body connector, which typifies a critical point of interaction between components. Ensure that the throttle body connector, 6P, is physically disconnected before inspection. Once disconnected, assess the internal circuit of the throttle body. Use an ohm meter to verify that resistance falls within the range of 1.2 ohms to 1 kiloohms, ensuring that there are no shorts present. This assessment is vital, as abnormal readings would indicate a problem with the throttle body itself, necessitating further diagnostics or potential replacement. Step 3 involves investigating the MTR1 and MTR2 circuits, as well as the SG3 circuit. First, ensure the throttle body and PCM, powertrain control module, connectors are disconnected. It is essential to jump the SCS, Service Check System, line with the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to properly isolate components and avoid false readings. After setting up, check the SG3 open wire for resistance, ensuring it reads below 1 ohm for a healthy circuit. Verify MTR1 and MTR2 for shorts. These should exceed 1 mega-ohm. Anomalies in these readings suggest wiring issues, leading back to the PCM or throttle actuator malfunctions. The final troubleshooting step is to conduct a thorough inspection of the PCM itself if all preceding components have been confirmed as normal. With the previous checks yielding satisfactory results, it is likely that the PCM is the source of the issue. This component acts as the brain of the engine management system, relaying information between various sensors and actuators. Utilizing diagnostic tools, perform checks to ensure the PCM is functioning correctly, and review its error logs for any anomalies. If faults are found within the PCM, replacement may be necessary to restore full engine function and eliminate code P2118. After completing all necessary repairs, it is vital to perform a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. Start by accessing the onboard diagnostic system and clearing the DTC P2118 from the system's memory. Following this, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to replicate situations that may have previously triggered the code. Monitor vehicle performance, particularly the responsiveness of the throttle and engine behavior. If the check engine light does not illuminate again and the vehicle performs smoothly, this confirms that the repairs were successful. To prevent future occurrences of the DTC P2118 and maintain the longevity of the throttle control system, regular preventive maintenance is crucial. Conduct periodic cleaning of the throttle body to remove carbon buildup and debris that can interfere with its functionality. Additionally, regularly inspect electrical connections associated with the throttle actuator and PCM for signs of wear or damage. Ensuring tight and clean connections will minimize electrical resistance and reduce the risk of circuit failures. Incorporating these maintenance practices will aid in the overall performance and reliability of your Honda Accord. In conclusion, the DTC P2118 indicates a throttle actuator current range or performance issue that can significantly affect vehicle performance. Understanding the possible causes and following a systematic troubleshooting approach is essential for effective diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspections of vital components like the throttle body and electrical circuits, will help ensure the longevity of the system. This proactive approach will not only keep the engine running smoothly, but also enhance safety and performance. Addressing DTC codes promptly fosters a positive ownership experience and maximizes vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.